Okay, so we're putting together giblet gravy. I chopped the celery and the onion. We probably ended up about a cup and a half, 2 cups of onion. We really like onion, so we're adding a little more. Again, whatever makes your little heart happy. If you don't like onion very much, dice them really finely and maybe do a half cup to a cup. And then we have about a cup of celery, a cream of chicken. Again, doesn't matter the brand. We prefer Campbell's, but anything's fine. And then poultry season, and then our salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna pour all this in here, and then we're gonna give it a good mix, and then put it on the stove. There's our onion, our celery. I'm gonna do our cream of chicken, do the whole can. And then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of poultry seasoning. That should be good. It's coming out a little hard. There we go. And then about a tablespoon of black pepper. Again, you can use this kind where you grind it, or you can just use the normal already ground pepper. And then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of salt as well. Okay. And then let it heat up a little bit, and then we'll come back when we check on it.
Okay, so we cooked all the giblets in this mixture, which will make our gravy. And then I cut it up, pulled it off the neck bone, cut up the gizzards, and there's some liver in there. So we're just gonna add this back. And then I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of butter. And then we're just gonna bring it back up to a simmer, and then just put the lid on it and let it rest till time to eat.